To sell with Phantom Wallet, you first need to understand what Phantom Wallet is. Phantom Wallet is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies, particularly Solana. The first step is to set up your Phantom Wallet. You can do this by going to the Phantom website and downloading the browser extension. Once you have installed the extension, you can create a new wallet by clicking on the Create New Wallet option. After setting up your wallet, you will need to add some Solana to it. You can do this by buying Solana from a cryptocurrency exchange and then transferring it to your Phantom Wallet. To sell an item using your Phantom Wallet, you will typically be using a marketplace that supports Solana. An example of such a marketplace is Magic Eden or OpenSea. Once you have chosen a marketplace, you can list your item for sale by clicking on the Create option and following the instructions. You will need to upload your item, set a price, and choose your payment method, which in this case will be Solana. After listing your item, it will be available for others to purchase. When someone buys your item, the Solana will be transferred to your Phantom Wallet. It is also important to note that you will need to pay transaction fees when selling an item using your Phantom Wallet. These fees are typically paid in Solana and are used to validate transactions on the Solana blockchain. To keep your Phantom Wallet secure, make sure to use a strong password and keep your private keys safe. You should also be careful when interacting with marketplaces and other users to avoid any potential scams. In summary, selling with Phantom Wallet involves setting up your wallet, adding Solana to it, choosing a marketplace, listing your item for sale, and receiving payment in Solana. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can safely and securely sell items using your Phantom Wallet.